Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna teach you guys the part 3 of the space shooter. Yeah, hope you enjoy this video. So yeah, let's get started. In this video we're gonna add a health bar for the boss and win events. So now let's go to the sprite one, the enemy. Go to the variables. Make a variables called uh, boss health, boss health or something. Then then go to the events menu. Drag out the when green flag click, and like that. And go to control and drag the forever again. Go to the variables and drag the set boss health. What do you want the boss health? Like 100. Okay, go to the control. If if touching touching the bullet sprite 4, then go to the variables and change boss health by -1. -1. Then go to the if, drag out the if below the another if, and if drag out this, drag out the variables. If boss health equals 0, then stop all. Yep, this will be good, and we're just gonna throw this. Yep, like that. So let's try it out to see if it works. Okay, it worked. I got shot by the boss. Now let's try it again. Ah. Uh, yes. It's more challenging if 100 health. Yes, I win. Yeah, it's kind of like that. And if you win, stop all, it will be boring. So we paint another sprite and text it like we set it to white because the backdrop is black. So white. Um, you win. Yeah, you guys might don't see this, but you can see it here. Maybe you want the curly. No, that's not marker. Good. Set it to large size or something. 0. Nah, okay. So now go to the enemy, the code, and change the stop all to broadcast. You still need to stop also. Just keep it there. Broadcast message 1. Okay, then go to the UN. When I receive message 1, then show. Okay, with flag clips, then hide. That should be good. It's a long time. You have to test. Come on, almost defeated the boss. Yay! See? It shows. Then if green flag click, it high. So it perfectly worked. But let's make an event where you can lose. Go to the sprite 3 and wait, sprite 1 and just copy it. We also want to add the health, right? So you need to make a new variable. Just player health. Okay. So we change it all to player health. Set player health to 10 maybe? No, has to be 50. Forever touching time. Change player health to this and this. But we're gonna new broadcast, new message called lose or whatever it you want, and now it's loose. We're gonna duplicate the UN and change the letter. Wait. Now you can see the UN now. We're gonna change it to you lose. You lose. Okay, it's in the middle. So when I receive change this to lose and yeah, it worked. It's gonna be work. See? It worked out very well. But still doesn't work because the player health is still 50, but it stopped because I forget to move this and player health. There you go. Now it has to be work. But it don't work. Let's see. Oh. Oh yeah, it's supposed to be right too. So see if it works. Hmm. Oh yeah, guys, I just remembered that we need to delete this. There's nothing wrong in there, okay? There's nothing wrong. You don't need to change this, alright? Just need to trash this and yep, it worked. It worked. It worked 100%. See, see, see. Yep, it worked. Hours of thinking. Now we can solve our problem. So yeah, that's just for now on. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe and don't forget to share this video for yeah, like for good and yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. So